Good girl. Hey, do you have your lion? Come show Mama your lion. Oh, you got a pin? It's not going to make Mama look good. She's carrying a pen around. And keys. Good girl. You are such a good walker. Do you have your lion? Whoops. What do you have? Give your lion squeezes. Give him a hug.
You give your lion hugs?
Oh.
That's so nice.
Whoops. Gotta walk over the lion, huh? Look at me and show me your smile. Let me see your teeth. Look at Mama. Look at Mama. Let me see your smile. Let me show Mama your teeth. Can you be a snake? Can you be a lion? What does a lion say? What's a lion say? What does a monkey say? Oh, that's a good monkey. What does a fish do? Do it again. What's a fish do? What does a giraffe do? Are you eating?
What does a lion say?
That's not a lion. What does a lion say? Yes.
What does an elephant say?
Woo! Yeah. What does... Oh, let me see your blinks. Show Mama your blinks. Let me see your monkey again. That was a cough. What does a monkey say? Do you have a bad cough? Oh no, what a bad cough. Show Mama what a monkey does. What does a monkey say? Hey, don't put that in your mouth. Thank you. What does a monkey say? Oh, don't put that in your mouth, silly Billy. Oh, don't put it in your mouth. Hey, do you know what a duck says?
Quack, quack. Can you do a duck? Can you be duck? Quack, quack.
Hey, Pate. Look at Mama. Okay. Can you wave bye-bye? Blow a kiss. No, blow a kiss.
Can you blow kisses? Can you blow kisses?
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You can clap your hands. Those keys are just too cool. Okay, show me your teeth one more time. Show Mama your teeth, honey. Show Mama your teeth. There we go. Love you.